What's up, guys? Welcome back to my blog, and I just want to give you an update on what's going on around the shop. Obviously, I haven't posted recently because I had family visiting, and they're finally gone. I had a good time. You can't just like let your family be alone when they're visiting you, so I had to hang out with them and all that. But it's all good and ready to go, and we're gonna start working. So here are the updates. But the idea is to probably start taking that bad boy apart, taking this engine out, because it's gonna go into this. But at least what I need to do right now is get the engine, transmission, all the wiring, all the stuff out of the Lexus, so I can get rid of the car, and that way I can have my driveway back. Obviously the garage is starting to get a little bit more organized. I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do with that pile of stuff, but all the toolboxes seem to be finally in order. My little workbench right there is finally clean. I still need to figure out exactly what I'm gonna do in that one. And I have this pile of stuff right here, which there's a 2UZ block in there that I was supposedly gonna use for the Lexus, the LS400, but yeah, like the bikes are back because the MK is gone. So I'm gonna start with the Lexus most likely, and I also need to start doing the minivan, the subframe for the S14 subframe that I'm putting on the van on the front. So I'm upgrading the suspension so it can actually drift properly, and I can actually mount this. So as you guys seen, this is the 1JZ that's going W9 transmission. It's going right in there. The only thing is I don't have a flywheel because that shop where my engine was, they borrowed it. They never gave it back, so I don't have my flywheel. So I need to get a flywheel for the here. Hopefully, I don't know, I'm trying to gather some interest, but I have this project that I just got not too long ago, and that's the Dolphin. That's my dad. Yeah, this is gonna be a full drift build. Pretty much it's gonna be, I'm gonna try to emulate Matt Field's drift car. Like my idea is I want to make like Matt Field's pro style, like all stripped out, roll cage, very clean build on a C3 Corvette. I have the front here, by the way, so it's not incomplete. It's just that the front piece is gonna stay on the car and the rest is gonna lift. So when you need to service the engine, whatever, you just can remove the whole thing. You don't have to take off the hood or just remove the whole front. But this is not gonna be powered by a regular V8. Oh no. The idea Blue Flame Corvette engine, and it wasn't fast. It had like 150 horses, but now with today's technology, and today's obviously like 20-year-old technology, you can put an inline-six on that car that makes over 1,000 horses, and it's gotta be pretty fast. So pretty much what I'm trying to do is like mix. Imagine Rat Dance, Dan Burkett Rat Dance Supra with the body of a Corvette, with a C3 Corvette. So it's an 82, it's still like a 70s, I don't know what I have here, it's disgusting. It's a 70s shape, but that's an 82, so that's like the last shape of that generation. I think it's the best looking 80 to 82 Corvettes. And that's pretty much gonna be the premise. Like imagine Rat Dan plus Matt Field in an old car. So it should have the pops and bangs. It should be loud. It should drift. It should slide. I'm not gonna have those wheels on. I'm thinking probably some works. I like to get a set of work wheels. Like how sick would that be? A C3 Corvette with works. Like there's so much room in that fender. It can fit some very wide wheels. So my buddy Jacob Cannon, he made me a render, a hand-drawn sketch of what I had in mind, and he did a good job. He also came out, so I'm gonna put it right here so you get to see it. So he did a good job. The car looks pretty good, and that's pretty much what I want it to be. That's my vision of the perfect C3 Corvette, and gonna try to get it done before SEMA. So it's February right now. I think I have time. So let me know what you think. You think I'm gonna be able to make it? You think it's a good idea? You think I should just like let go of the idea? But you know what? No, I'm just kidding, because like when I started drifting the van, everybody said like, oh, that's the dumbest idea. And yeah, it was a dumb idea, but I still got it done, and I still want to get it done properly. I have to put that engine in there. I might start mocking something on the Corvette with the 1J. It's very similar, pretty much dimension-wise, as a 2J. So, anyways, a lot of people has been asking me about my bike. So, let me show you around real quick. Roadstar Warrior. So as I say, from the Star series, but the Midnight Warrior pretty much comes all in black engine. Those wheels were painted red, and I did the wrap on the exhaust, like titanium wrap. It's been lowered. Also a Yamaha 1700 as well, but this one is Midnight Star. So the difference, like this one actually has chrome, and It's got straight pipes because straight pipes save lives. And this one is iron frame, it's a steel frame. This one is aluminum frame. So this one's super light. This one's fuel injected. This one's carbureted. This one has a seat in the back, so can take passengers. Well, one passenger. But yeah, so this one's more like a comfy cruiser. Usually what I have it because if I have a friend who wants to come ride with me, he can just borrow that one. You've seen Corey riding the gnarly Davidson. That's the gnarly Davidson. But it's really a Yamaha. Yamaha boy. Also heavier, and it just glides. Where this one is more gnarly. This one's kind of scary. So that one has a power commander. It has it was dyno tuned with that exhaust on, so it's pretty fast. I personally don't like going too fast. Not that I'm scared, but I value life, and this thing is pretty crazy. Like I think it can't keep up with any 600, 750. So yeah, there they are. I'll show you some video riding a little bit. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna start working on some stuff right now, but putting the next episode of Roofless Garage should come out next week. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Have a good one.